Beloved cosmic family, hello everyone. I wish you a good day and a great start to the week. We are currently experiencing one of the strongest constant energy presences, predominantly entering through the crown chakra. This is generating various mental processes, leading to ongoing headaches, nervous system issues, etc. This is nothing new for those of us consciously working on the ascension process, with these energies coming directly from the great central sun to Earth. Each day, a stronger energy replaces the previous one. During this period, we are activating the pineal gland, causing situations, memories, and patterns in the brain. Many of us are experiencing what feels like electric shocks in our neurons, which are literally explosions, transmutations, and then releases. All of this, part of the cleansing of this gland, will continue until the end of this week. This is enhanced by the energies of the new moon in Capricorn from last week, helping to remove past energies. During this period, many of us will recall situations, experiences, childhood memories, and time spent with loved ones who may no longer be in this physical plane. Pluto will soon join to work with the energies of Aquarius, as energy spirals are already entering. There is always an energetic preparation due to the frequency increase between one and the other. Pluto is a masculine energy. Remember that Saturn is also present throughout 2024. Symptoms throughout the body will continue until all those responsibly working through this ascension process complete it. All of this is linked to the expansion of the heart center in response to these energies, as well as the Earth's chakras, the sexual plexus, and the base chakra. It goes without saying that every light worker should already be aware of these chakras, their locations, functions, activation, alignment, etc. This is crucial and fundamental. To know is to love, to take care of our body, as it is a sacred temple and a main protagonist alongside Mother Earth in this period of Earth's transformation and recalibration. Just as there is an alignment of the Earth, a new axis, there is also an alignment of human chakras, as these are the energetic portals of our body. How to adopt the incoming new energy. Archangel Zadkiel, protector of the seventh violet ray, speaks to us in this message about how to perfect your path in the incoming new energy, in this period of expanding higher frequency energies, and this will continue to intensify. This is your opportunity to examine your path and make the necessary adjustments to move forward. Now, you have the opportunity to reach even higher. The new energy can help you achieve even higher levels, but you have to do so by examining your path, your goals, and how you wish to serve. You can start by focusing on how you want to appear on your path and what traits and qualities you wish to embody. These form the basis of your identity and the energetic field you will project. There are many qualities to consider. You can start with love in this aspect. Love is a vibration and not an emotion. Do not forget, this is important in this ascension process. To enhance this quality, focus on the center of your heart to obtain this divine vibration. Feel the energy radiating from the heart to all parts of your being. This allows you to be a center of divine love. When you remember that your connection to the source through your divine spark is the center of your heart, the feeling of divine love increases. This leads to remembering that all beings have a divine spark and come from the same source. You become aware of the unity of all creation and that you share a common bond through your divine spark. You realize that every thought and action can resonate and affect the collective. A feeling of compassion for all beings can be a consequence of this awareness. Compassion is a natural quality of divine love. It is not necessary to agree with another person's decisions to feel compassion. Simply, you can radiate love and feel compassion for what they are going through. This is because you are secure in your own being. Forgiveness is another quality you may wish to adopt. Forgiveness releases your own energy and allows you to rise to a higher level. You can forgive yourself for any low vibration action, and you can forgive everyone else. Surround the action with love and transmute with the violet flame and release it. See yourself and the situation filled with divine light. By doing this, you will feel more enlightened and freer. As you receive the new energy while focusing on these and other qualities, you will be conscious on this path of ascension and the adjustments you would like to make. These adjustments arise from how you present yourself and fulfill your mission in the new energy. The way you present yourself is a central part to fulfill your mission. You become the mission through your energy and behavior. Your energy is your signature and your message. It is with you wherever you go. You are simply yourself and radiate your light as you refine your energy. You may find parts of your path that no longer suit you. Just be thankful for what you have learned and release them with love. Then focus on how you want to move forward. Let this vision and feeling permeate your being. Remember, you and your energy are the message and the mission. Keep this as your focus as you ascend to higher dimensions. Beloved ones, we from the angelic realms are happy that you are refining your path in the new energy. You are very loved, today and always. I am Archangel Zadkiel. Excellent message as always from these divine beings. They will never abandon us, and they will always be with us, as well as our brothers from other galaxies, ascended masters, etc., etc. Solar fraternal hug, light, peace, and love to you. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light at the service of humanity in this new earth. Voice for we are positive worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you in every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.